guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to get a facelift. You can get a facelift without any fillers and botox, only with makeup. So today I'm gonna show you how. So I'm taking this lighter concealer and now I'm gonna apply it on the areas where I have to lift my face. Also guys, I'm gonna do it on one side of the face so that you can compare both the sides. Like this side I will not do it and this side I'll do it. So here we go.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
So as you can see, I have applied it on the one side. Now I'm gonna blend it.
Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me?
Make it look more prominent, I'm gonna apply some loose powder. So you can leave it like that or you can do so. After applying the loose powder, dust it off after a minute. And we are done. You can see the difference on both the sides. So this side looks more lifted. This was my secret to do a facelift without having any botox or fillers. So do try it and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any such videos. I'm gonna share more of a hacks like this. So stay tuned and thank you guys for watching.
Don't wanna have to wait tonight.